Let's video.
So as you can see, I'm painting an owl. I got a mix of a funky cat in there, put on some cool whiskers.
Here's the 3 of them that I've done already. You got the cute cat, the house with some numbers, and just chill. More to come, guys. Stay tuned.
Use a lot of elements of street art when I'm creating these paintings. I use houses, ladders, numbers, some words here and there. And I love painting cats, as you can see. Owls, cats, you name it. I'm using Liquitex soft body acrylic paints for these. And I am using painter's acrylic paint markers for the outlines, the black outlines and the white outlines. And it all comes together and it looks pretty good.
You know how it was a dream.
This is after I added some white marker to it.
Lean as a sailor on a stormy night, catching the waves in flight, making it right.
I'm gonna post these and others onto my website shortly. So take a look and hopefully you'll find something. Christmas is coming up. Makes great gifts. Anyways, hope you're having fun. We're slapping it down over here at the RAEART Studios. And these are mini 10x10s. And they are framed. A beautiful little canvas. And they are ready to hang. So get yours today.
Oh, waves of darkness approach me, sending down the dreams, I certainly agree.
Check out the texture of the swirls in the canvas. It's got a bit of a gloss to it, so it looks pretty cool. I went over top with yellow Liquitex soft body acrylic paints. I'm gonna let that dry and I'm gonna go ahead and add some black marker to it, do some little drawings in here. You can see my texture style here in the yellow. I simply went over that with a dry brush when the paint was wet. We're going to go ahead and slap it down and turn this into something funky. As you can see, I went ahead and added the black marker and created this funky design. It's a farmer fielding some flowers, and you can see some other characters in here. You got this guy carrying a bucket. You got a little house over there, some clouds. He's wearing a top hat. Yeah, just a little drawing there. Some fine lines, some yellow and some white. That's about it for the color. But it's quite impressive. What do you guys think? Leave your comments below. Should I do more of these little 10x10s? They're framed, very nice. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again next time on Live Painting with RAEART. Hope you enjoyed the process and some of the paintings, and we'll get back to it very soon. So don't forget to subscribe, share it, favorite it, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the blah 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 blah. Anyway, so you get the idea. I'll talk to you later. Peace out. We got snow today. Ooh. Bye.